Here we are back with part 4. The card is installed. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Jack, you got any comments on this?
Well, the first thing that comes to mind, really, with the whole, that metal green shroud and the EVGA GTX 1080 Ti. First thing comes to mind. Go Hawks! That's the first thing that comes to mind. And this is a bad boy.
I don't think they saw that. Got that Go Hawks from you very
Go Hawks! That's what I was doing.
Go.
We already know. But I'm telling you, this is the straight up Ferrari, Lamborghini, Rolls Royce of cards. Come on, man. Yeah, the Titan, whatever. This is, come on. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Let me get the glass.
Well, let's go ahead and light her up first before we attach
that's
it.
That's right.
That way they can see the full effect of the new lights with the blue.
Absolutely.
I'm going to go ahead and hit the power right now.
Fire it up.
Oh, we might want to turn the power on. Oops. Yeah. Technical difficulties.
That's twice now we've done that.
I know. I'm failing on that aspect. Here we go.
Whoa. Okay.
As you can see, the lights are kind of green. Now, you're not going to get the full effect of this, but as you can see, because of the lighting, you can see the fan as the green's going in and out. It's glowing the fan as a blue hue, but then coming right back to the green. Now, in real life, you're going to see this a lot better. And it's going to be a richer green, more like the green you're seeing on here. But because these are LEDs, digital video doesn't do it justice very well, unfortunately. But as you can see, the lights are in there. So let's go ahead and throw on the rest.
And the cool thing about this case, this Cooler Master Box Pro 6. I knew I could spit it out.
Masterbox Pro 5 RGB.
Okay, that's it. The cool thing.
And a good shout out to Cooler Master for making such a great case that it's easy to work with.
Like I said, about the cool thing about this case too, if I can get that back out, go ahead and let go, is you can let go and it won't fall out. And it's because of a built-in lip they've got into the window that lips right onto the case. It's pretty cool. Just a cool feature.
A lot better than the NZXT cases. When they do their tempered, it's 4 pins. And if those rubber grommets come out, that glass shakes around and it's not very fun trying to install it.
All right, so there you go with the glass.
And you can see the accent of the fear this. Go Hawks. So if you want to go ahead and hit the lights, we can give everybody the full effect of this.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. All right. And as you can see the silhouette. Now, one of the next stages will be to light him up because he is mirror reflective, and we'll light him up with a specific color, probably blue, since we got the green on the fans to give him a whole nother effect. And then in the next stage, you will see good old Russell Wilson sitting right here top of the video card. We're working on the mount right now for that. So go ahead and log in, and let's see if you have the EVGA software loaded?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can go ahead and change those RGBs to blue or green or something. Let's give it an effect. And as you can see, the coin is lit up amazing, and the heartbeat. Look at the heartbeat. Oh wow, look at that. Look at what the blue hue is doing. You can see it through the video. It's giving just a slight blue hue, and you can still see it even though the lights are going in and out.
So with that said, like I said, stay tuned for some really, really cool stuff that's coming up for this box. I mean, how much cooler can you get than a 1080 Ti, especially with a green shroud?
Oh yeah.
And yes, this is going to be done by football season. Promise. It's got to be.
Yes.
It's got to be. So until next time, go Hawks, go Computer City, Cooler Master, all
EVGA,
the people, EVGA, you know what I'm saying?
Corsair,
Thermal Take, and above all, the 12th man.
Yes.
All right.
Go Hawks.
There we go.